Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Selvi Mufaila. Now I will explain about the students' perceptions of role-playing dialogue in developing in English speaking skill. The first slide about background of the research. Students' perception indicate that many students struggle with speaking English due to limited opportunities for real-life practice. Role-playing dialogues can improve speaking skill by simulating real-life situations. This study aims to explore students' perceptions of the effectiveness of this method in developing their English speaking skill. Moving on the background EFL, students struggle with speaking due to limited real-world practice, which leads to anxiety and poor fluency. Role-playing offers an authentic simulation. This study explores students' perception of how to fill this gap. The key points align perfectly with EFL literature, highly relevant and innovative. The next slide is problem statement. There are 3 points for problem statement. Point 1, how do students perceive the effectiveness of role-playing dialogues in improving speaking skill? Point 2, what factors influence students' perceptions of the dialogue role-playing method in learning English speaking? The last, how can the dialogue role-playing method address obstacles such as students' lack of confidence and fluency? Next is research purpose. There are 3 points. Number 1, explore students' perceptions of role-playing dialogues in developing pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and confidence. Point number 2, identify supporting and inhibiting factors from the student's perspective. The last, provide recommendation for more effective speaking skill instruction. Our goals build directly on the problem. First, second, and third, to explore perception of pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and confidence. To identify enabling or inhibiting factors. To provide teaching recommendation. The next slide is theoretical basis. Number 1, main theoretical basis. Research by Richard and Rogers, 2014. Role-play dialogues in developing EFL speaking skill are based on the communicative language teaching or CLT theory and TBLT, which emphasize authentic interaction to build communicative competence through simulation of real-life situation. Speaking skill theory, Richard. Speaking skills encompass 5 key indicators. Number 1, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension, which can be improved through role-playing, contextual practice, and anxiety reduction. Research method. Types of research is descriptive, qualitative. Data search is the primary data search is the result of direct interviews. Data collection, interview, documentation, observation, and questionnaire. Location and search at Azikra Middle School, principal, English teacher, and 8th grade student. The next slide about the research result. Research showed that 85% of students had positive perceptions of role-playing dialogues, with significant increase in fluency from 60% until 82%, and confidence in speaking skill. Students report reduced anxiety throughout real-life simulation, increased engagement, and increased contextual vocabulary use. Overall, 98% of students were interested in using this method for interactive practice. Improvement grade. Pronunciation, 78% positive. Students can speak more clearly using dialogue. Fluency 85% effective. Students are more fluent in pronunciation of each word without long pause. Vocabulary 82% useful. Every vocabulary pronunciation is more creative, variative in context. Confidence 90 increase. Every student recognized to be more confident in every saying. The last comprehensions 80 help merge the understanding in direct interaction. In the last slide is conclusion. Most students 85 until 90% have a positive perceptions of the dialogue role-playing method as an effective tool for improving fluency, confidence, pronunciation, vocabulary, and comprehension in EFL. This method successfully reduces speaking anxiety, increase engagement through real-life simulation, and overcomes the limitation of traditional practice, with significant increase in speaking score. Average interview and observation class 49 until 73, questionnaire 65 until 91 that are consistent across studies.